Did you know a goalkeeper once saved a penalty just because he sneezed? During a tight local football match, the opposing team earned a penalty. Everyone went silent. The pressure was insane. The keeper crouched, focused, breathing slowly, when suddenly he sneezed hard. He stumbled sideways right as the striker took the shot, and somehow his fall blocked the ball perfectly. The crowd erupted, the striker just froze, and even the referee started laughing. The replay showed everything: the sneeze, the stumble, and the most accidental save ever recorded. Sometimes luck plays better defense than skill.